What's going on, everybody? So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can get your credit repaired absolutely free by yours truly. Check this out. All right, so if you live in the state of Georgia and you want your credit repaired, reach out to me and I'm going to work on it absolutely free. And the reason why is because there's only two ways to do this: as an attorney, or with a team of attorneys, or as a nonprofit, basically for free. So all you have to pay for is the credit monitoring. I believe it is $50 a month. It is a special credit monitoring service that works with the software that I will be using personally to repair your credit. Y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great week.